If this is your first time, kindly hit the notification button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that any video that will come, you will get it. Thank you. Hello guys, greetings to everyone. Now I have my AD600BM flashlight, and this is brand new, and I'm here to unbox it. You know, I've not been paid, so I'm just unboxing it. Yeah, this is brand new. I'm so amazed. This is my first time having this. Wow, I can't wait to see it. This is the manual. The manual, and I think the product. You understand? They have tons of stuffs inside. Wow. So they are packaged it nice. In fact, I like it. And okay. Saying the unboxes. Wow. Wow. This is wow. This is the light charger, the AD600. This is the battery. Sorry, this is the battery. Whoa, this is very heavy. Now it is unboxed. I'm very happy to have it. Very soon I'll be using it to do some shoots. Okay.